So as we can see that acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I group, and acidic strength is inversely proportional to plus I group, because acidic strength is directly proportional to the stability of conjugate base. The acidic strength is directly proportional to the stability of conjugate base or carbon ion obtained by the loss of H plus ion. So basically the acidic strength depends on the stability of conjugate base. See, so the stability of conjugate base will decide the acidic strength, and acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I group and inversely proportional to plus I group. See the question based on the acidic strength comparison. As we can see that in HF, HCl, HBr and HI, here we can see that the size of hydrogen atom is same while the size of halogen increases, and as the size of halogen increases, means because fluorine belongs to 2p orbital and chlorine belongs to 3p orbital, bromine 4p and iodine 5p, it means the bond length of hydrogen and iodine is largest, therefore bond energy of Hi is lowest. So bond energy of Hi is lowest because hydrogen and iodine nucleus are at large distance. So the tendency to lose H plus, H plus of Hi is more. Therefore Hi will lose its proton very easily. Hence the acidic nature of Hi is more and HF is less. So basically, if proton lose is easy, so basically the loss of proton is easy, then it is a stronger acid. Because of large size of iodine, the tendency to lose H plus ion is more. Therefore more acidic character in Hi. Now see the next question. Next question also again on the basis of size. We can see all groups are same except oxygen and sulfur. So basically now we are comparing the acidic strength on the basis of size of atom. If larger the size of atom to which hydrogen atom is attached, if larger is the size of atom to which the hydrogen atom is attached, means more acidic strength. See, the hydrogen is attached to oxygen, hydrogen is attached to sulfur, and we know the size of sulfur is more with respect to oxygen. So the size of sulfur is more with respect to oxygen. Therefore the acidic nature is more in SH because the tendency to lose H plus ion is more, hence it is more stronger acid as compared to this. Now see the next question. Again in the next question we can see hydrogen is attached to oxygen, hydrogen attached to sulfur, and the size of sulfur is more than oxygen. Hence the tendency to lose proton is easy in case of thiol. SH group is thiol. Therefore more acidic character. Now see the next question. The next question also, in water H2S, the size of sulfur is more with respect to oxygen. So tendency to lose H plus ion is more in H2S. Therefore the acidic character of H2S is more with respect to water. Now see the next question. The next question is again on the basis of size. So acidic strength on the basis of size. Now again, the size of sulfur atom is more. With respect to oxygen. Therefore tendency to lose proton is more in thiol group with respect to OH. Therefore the thiol has more acidic character than OH. So one of the factor we have discussed the acidic character. So basically we have discussed now the acidic strength. On the basis of size of atom. Now we are going to discuss the acidic strength on the basis of electronegativity. See, the acidic strength also directly proportional to electronegativity. When the size is almost same, as we can see in CH4, NH3, water and HF. We know carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine are second period elements, and the size decreases from carbon to fluorine. So basically in these cases size is almost similar, so there is no much variation, not too much variation in the size. So in this case basically the acidic strength is compared by the electronegativity rule. It means higher is the electronegativity, so acidic strength is directly proportional to electronegativity. So higher the electronegativity of central atom, then more acidic strength. As we can see, the electronegativity decreases from left to right. The electronegativity increases from left to right. Fluorine has highest electronegativity, then oxygen atom, then nitrogen, and the carbon has least electronegativity. So in this case, the acidic strength is directly proportional to electronegativity. Therefore, HF has highest acidic strength and CH4 has least acidic strength. Now see the next question for comparison of acidic strength. See, as we can see, one is H2S and one is HCl. As we can see that again the central atom is different, and when central atom is different, then acidic nature is defined by the electronegativity of central atom. We see the electronegativity of chlorine is more, so when central atom is different, then acidic strength is proportional to electronegativity. Chlorine has more electronegativity, therefore HCl has more acidic character with respect to H2S. Now see the next question. The next question is, one is sp hybridized carbon, one is sp2 hybridized carbon, and one is sp3 hybridized carbon. One is sp hybridized carbon, one is sp2, one is sp3. So basically again the central atom with hydrogen is attached. The atom with which hydrogen is attached, is same, carbon atom. So we will decide the acidic strength on the basis of electronegativity, and we know the electronegativity of sp hybridized carbon. The electronegativity of sp hybridized carbon is more than sp2 than sp3. Therefore we can say the acidic nature of alkyne is more than alkene and then alkane. Now see the next question. The next question is SCN and HCH double bond energy. In this case we can see also again carbon is sp3 hybridized, so basically the hybridization of carbon is sp in this case, and also the hybridization of carbon is sp2 in this case. And we know as the atom hydrogen is attached to same carbon atom, so hydrogen attached to carbon, hydrogen here also attached to carbon, and electronegativity of sp carbon is more than sp2. Therefore in this case also when the atom is same, so basically acidic strength is proportional to electronegativity rule. And we know the rule, the acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I group and acidic strength is inversely proportional to plus I group. Now see the next question on the basis of inductive effect. See, so the first question is, we have, as we can see, OH is a functional group, and functional group is attached to which carbon atom? See the neighbor of that carbon atom. The functional group attached to the carbon atom, see the neighbor of this carbon atom. So basically the neighbor of this carbon atom is only one, therefore it is 1 degree alcohol. Now we can see functional group is attached to this carbon atom. Now see the neighbor of this carbon atom, 2 neighbors are there, therefore it is 2 degree alcohol. So it is 1 degree alcohol, it is 2 degree alcohol, and this is functional group attached to carbon is attached to 3 carbon atom, therefore it is 3 degree carbon atom. It is 3 degree carbon atom. Now we can see plus I group decreases the acidic strength. So more number of plus I means more plus I groups, means if more plus I groups then acidic strength is less. And we can see when degree of carbon increases then plus I group increases. So number of plus I is more. Number of plus I groups is more in 3 degree. So more plus I means less acidic strength. Hence more acidic is 1 degree alcohol than 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol, because plus I group, number of plus I group decreases the acidic strength. Now see the next question. again the stability of acidic strength we have to compare for the 3. So we have to compare the acidic strength. As we can see, functional group is attached to this carbon and only one neighbor of this carbon, therefore it is 1 degree. Functional group attached to this carbon, now see the neighbor of this carbon, 2 neighbors, therefore 2 degree. Functional group attached to this carbon, now see the neighbor of this carbon, 1 2 3, so it is 3 degree. And we know more degree means more plus I, so more degree of carbon means more plus I, so more plus I in this case. And we know the acidic strength is inversely proportional to plus I. If more plus I means less acidic strength, therefore 3 degree alcohol will have less acidic strength and 1 degree will have more acidic strength, because in 1 degree alcohol there is less plus I. Now see the next question of acidic strength. See, the next question is, in this case basically we have to compare the acidic strength of OH group, and we know the inductive effect is distance operating effect. In this case chlorine is minus I, chlorine is minus I, and chlorine is minus I, and we can see that chlorine is at only one distance, so basically it is only at the first carbon atom, while in this case 2 carbon atoms, in this case 3 carbon atoms. So basically we can say 1 2, so if we take 1 and this position at 2, so chlorine at second position with respect to this, chlorine at third position, chlorine at fourth position. And chlorine is minus I in nature. Chlorine, the nature of chlorine is minus I, the nature of chlorine is minus I, so basically chlorine is minus I group in nature. So we can see that chlorine is minus I group in nature, and with the distance the inductive effect decreases. So stronger minus I when minus I group is close, so stronger minus I in case of this one. And we know the acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I. Stronger minus I because minus I is close to this group, therefore strong minus I increases the acidic strength, hence the acidic strength is 1 2 and then 3. Now see the next question. The next question is also the comparison of strength of acid. We can see this is also 1 degree alcohol, because functional group OH is attached to carbon and the neighbor of this carbon atom is only 1, therefore it is 1 degree. Now see, again this is also 1 degree, but we can see in this compound sp hybridized carbon, because triple bonded carbon means sp hybridized carbon, and the minus I effect, because electronegativity of triple bond is more, the electronegativity of sp carbon is more, therefore minus I is more. And we know the acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I. So electronegativity of sp, electronegativity or minus I, we can say sp is more than sp2 and then sp3, so we can say more minus I, therefore more acidic strength. More minus I means more acidic strength, because acidic strength is proportional to electronegativity also. Now see the next question. The next question again, we can see this is the acidic group OH. With respect to OH, there are 2 plus I groups. There is minus I group and there is also minus I group. But the minus I nature of fluorine is more than chlorine. So we know acidic strength directly proportional to minus I. So minus I increases the acidic strength and plus I decreases the acidic strength, inversely proportional. Therefore we can say the acidic nature of compound containing fluorine and chlorine is more with respect to methyl group. So plus I decreases the stability, hence the acidic strength is less, because plus I decreases the acidic strength and minus I increases the strength. And in minus I, in fluorine there is more minus I, because the electronegativity of fluorine is high, so inductive effect minus I effect of fluorine is high, hence the acidic nature of this is more than this. So acidic strength is given to first number to this, and then second, and then third. Now see the next question again on the basis of comparison of acidic strength. See, we can see we have to compare the acidic strength of carboxylic group. So carboxylic group is common in both all. COH group is same in all. Now we can see the next carbon 2 carbonyl group. The next carbon 2 C double bond O group is CH3, which is plus I group in nature. And the carbon which is the neighbor of C double bond O having Cl group. Cl group we know minus I in nature. Cl group is minus I in nature. Now here bromine is attached. Bromine is minus I in nature. And here iodine is attached. It is minus I in nature. So CH3 is plus I in nature. We know acidic strength. Acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I, inversely proportional to plus I. So plus I decreases the acidic strength. Hence, the least acidic strength of this compound. This compound has less acidic strength due to plus I group. So fourth number is given to. If it is 4, then fourth is least acidic. If fourth number is given to this, then this is least acidic. And we know minus I increases the acidic strength. And we know the minus I power of chlorine is more because of electronegativity. So minus I power of chlorine is more, and bromine, and then iodine. So minus I effect more means a stronger acid, because minus I proportional to acidic strength. So if it is given first number, so acidic strength of first is more, then third, and then second, and least in case of fourth because of plus I. Now see the next question. Again, to compare the acidic strength. Now see the next question again. As we can see in the next question again, there is carboxylic group. We have to compare the acidic strength. Here also carboxylic group, and here also carboxylic group. We have to compare the acidic strength. Now we can see there is plus I group. So this is only plus I group. And here we can see here CH3 is plus I group, but fluorine is also attached. So fluorine has minus I group nature. Fluorine atom has minus I group nature. And we know minus I increases the acidic strength, because acidic strength directly proportional to minus I. Here also fluorine, but the minus I group is close. Minus I group is close to COH group. We know the inductive effect is the distance dependent effect. So basically minus I is more in case of this with respect to this. So minus I is stronger. And we know minus I increases the acidic strength. So due to minus I, acidic strength of this is more. So first number is given to this. And then again fluorine is also minus I, but at large distance with respect to 1. So due to minus I, it is also a stronger acid, but at number 2. So due to minus I and minus I group close, so stronger minus I, hence more acidic strength than this, and it is plus I decreases the acidic strength. Therefore it comes at number 3. Now see the next question. Again compare the acidic strength. See the next question of comparison of acidic strength. As we can see in next question, again this is the carboxylic group. So we have to compare the acidic strength of this carboxylic group. As this carboxylate ion is connected with all sp3 carbon, but this carboxylate ion is connected with all sp2 carbon, because benzene contains sp2 carbon. And the minus I effect or electronegativity of sp is more than sp2 than sp3. So we can say acidic strength proportional to minus I. Therefore the acidic strength of this is more with respect to this. Now see the next question. The next question again on the basis of inductive effect acidic strength. As COH group is common. COH group is common in all. COH group is common in all. Now we can see that with respect to COH 1, 2, 3 fluorine is attached. Here NF3 is attached, and here CH3 is attached. CH3 is plus I group, plus NF3 is minus I group, and fluorine is minus I group. And we know the acidic strength. Is directly proportional to minus I. The acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I. And the minus I effect of plus NF3 is more than the F atom. the minus I effect of plus NF3 is more than fluorine atom. Therefore, strong minus I. We know the minus I effect proportional to acidic strength, and strong minus I means stronger acid. Therefore, it is strongest acid at number 1. Here it is also minus I. Minus I increases the acidic strength, so it comes at number 2. And plus I decreases the acidic strength because acidic strength is inversely proportional to plus I. So it is at number 3. Now see the next question. The next question is again, there is again carboxylic group. Here also it is carboxylic group. Here also carboxylic group. So the acidic part, acidic hydrogen is present in the carboxylic group. Now see the groups attached. As we can see here, sp hybridized carbon atom is present. Here sp hybridized carbon is present, and we know the electronegativity of sp carbon is more than sp2 and then sp3. So electronegativity of sp carbon is more than sp2 and then sp3. So minus I effect of sp carbon, is more than sp2 carbon than sp3 carbon. So we can see that because the electronegativity of sp carbon is more than sp2 than sp3. As more electronegativity means more minus I effect, and we know minus I effect is proportional to acidic strength. So due to more electronegativity, more minus I for sp, this is a stronger acid, therefore it comes at number 1. Then sp2 carbon, so the acidic strength at number 2, and then plus I, because plus I decreases the acidic strength, so the acidic strength at number 3. Now see the next comparison of acidic strength. So basically in this question we have to compare the acidic strength on the basis of identification of alpha, beta and gamma. As we can see that here alpha hydrogen is surrounded by the 2 minus I groups. So C double bond O is basically a minus I group. So, and we know minus I group increases the acidic strength. So the release of alpha proton is easy. Why the release of alpha proton is easy? Because acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I. Here the alpha proton is surrounded by 2 minus I groups, and minus I groups increases the release of proton tendency. So the tendency to lose S plus ion increases in case of alpha proton because it is surrounded by 2 minus I groups. Now see for beta proton. As in beta proton we can see, in case of beta proton it is surrounded by only 1 minus I group. So the acidic strength is proportional to minus I. More minus I groups means more acidic strength, because here 2 minus I groups are there. Therefore the acidic strength of alpha is more. Than beta. But in this case gamma proton, there is no minus I group. All carbon are sp3 hybridized, therefore only plus I group is there. So we can say the release of proton is more easy for alpha. So alpha acidic nature of alpha is more than beta and then gamma. Now see the next question. The next question again, comparison of acidic strength of phenolic group OH with respect to OH 1, 2, 3 at third position. So distance is same. Now see the group effect. As CN we know the CN is basically minus I effect. And also NO2 is also minus I effect, and plus NF3 is also minus I effect. And the order of minus I we have studied. Plus NF3 has stronger minus I. Then NO2, and then Cn. So this is the order of minus I effect, and we know the acidic strength is proportional to minus I. The acidic strength is proportional to minus I. More stronger minus I means more acidic strength. So the acidic strength of this compound will be at number 1 due to stronger minus I, then at number 2, and at number 3 due to weakest minus I. Now see the next question again, the comparison of acidic strength. So the next question is, we have to compare the acidic strength of this proton H. As we can see, minus I increases the acidic strength and plus I decreases. Here we can see 2 methyl groups are there, so only plus I effect is there. Only plus I effect is there. Here it is NO2, and NO2 shows minus I effect. The effect of NO2 is minus I. Now see CHO group. Aldehyde group is also minus I group. Also minus I group. And we know minus I groups increases the acidic strength and plus I group decreases the acidic strength. And the minus I of NO2. The minus I of NO2 is stronger than CHO. The minus I effect of NO2 is stronger than CHO, and minus I effect increases the acidic character. So two groups are minus I, and stronger minus I will have higher acidic strength. Therefore, the acidic strength in case of NO2 is highest at number 1, then in case of CHO, and plus I group decreases the acidic strength, so it comes at number 3. Now see the next question. The next question is again the comparison of acidic strength. So now we are going to compare the acidic strength of OH group. See, the OH group is attached to same carbon atom because with respect to nitrogen first. As we can see, the NO2 group is minus I in nature, NO group is also minus I in nature, and CH3 is plus I group. So basically, the minus I effect of NO2, is more than NO. Why? Because in NO2 there are 2 oxygen atoms, but in NO there is only 1 oxygen atom. And we know more stronger minus I means more acidic strength. So as acidic strength is more in case of first, then the acidic strength for second, then and plus I decreases the acidic strength, therefore it comes at number 3. Stronger minus I means more acidic strength. Therefore NO2 has more minus I, stronger, therefore more acidic strength. Now see the next question. The next question is again comparison of acidic strength. So we have to compare the acidic strength of this carboxylic OH group, carboxylic OH. As we can see, hydrogen cannot push electron or cannot withdraw electron. And we know that in case of formic acid, formic acid is stronger acid than the benzoic acid. This is very important comparison you have to remember. The acidic strength of formic acid is more than the benzoic acid. Why? Because in case of formic acid, we will discuss in the resonance. In case of formic acid, equal resonating structures are present, equal RS. While in case of benzoic acid, unequal RS are also there. So if equal RS and unequal RS, then the stability of equal RS is more. Therefore formic acid is more stronger acid than benzoic. We will discuss also in case of resonance when we discuss the acidic strength. By using resonance, then we'll again discuss this question. So formic acid has stronger acid with respect to benzoic acid, because in benzoic acid minus I there, and formic acid equal resonating structure, equal RS are there. See, CH3 is plus I group, so plus I groups basically decreases the acidic strength. Hence, it is least acidic. So the order of acidic strength is formic acid, then benzoic acid, and then acetic acid. So we have completed all about the acidic strength. Now we will compare in the next lecture the strength of bases, so on the basis of inductive effect.